Selamat datang di episode perdana Jika Kuku Menjadi, di mana kuku bisa menjadi apa saja. Kali ini episode perdana kita akan membahas podcaster atau podcast biasanya, di mana podcast adalah podcaster adalah orang yang berbicara dalam podcast. Podcaster juga sering disebut sebagai host. Sementara podcast adalah sebuah siaran yang berupa rekaman suara atau audio yang dapat diputar kapanpun oleh pendengarnya. Nah itu kan udah jelas sebenarnya podcast tuh hanya suara-suara. Tapi sekarang orang dikit-dikit video, ya ini podcastnya gimana podcast? Dedi, podcast itu kan bukan podcast. Itu kan emang video yang orang ngomong, bukan podcast gitu. Jadi makanya, apakah memang definisi podcast seperti itu? Kita harus tanya ke podcaster yang asli, podcaster yang sesungguhnya. Katanya ada seseorang bernama Indah G. Entah dia siapanya Baby G. Tahu kan Baby G-Shock gitu, bisa jadi kayak gitu juga kan. Dan kita akan lihat apakah definisi podcast itu seperti itu juga bagi dia. Dan juga apakah gue bisa menjadi podcaster, yang harusnya sih bisa. Oke, helikopter gue sudah menjemput. Dadah. Tapi kenapa di gym sih? Kenapa di gym sih? Kenapa di gym? Ya udahlah, kita lihat aja. Gak ada orang yang bawa mic, kayak podcasternya di mana?
Hamstring stretch. 60 seconds.
Who are you looking for?
Are you a podcaster?
I am.
Oh,
Unfortunately for most
ini
people.
orangnya, ini orangnya.
Unfortunately for most people, I am. Get my good side. No,
Why are you laughing?
I think
But are you really a podcaster?
I am.
Because today I'm going to be a podcaster.
I am.
Since this is
You.
Jika Kuku Menjadi, and today I'm going to be a podcaster because I can be anything. Kuku jadi karena kuku bisa menjadi apa saja.
Kuku bisa menjadi apa saja yang dia inginkan.
Where's your microphone?
My microphone
This
is here.
podcast microphone. See, podcast microphone.
I don't have my
Isn't it
glasses.
podcaster always have to bring this all the time because I'm a podcaster. I have to bring this all the time. Just in case people want to get into my podcast all the time.
Just in
I want to
case.
get their information.
Just in case we want to do an impromptu episode. Yeah, you're right.
Am I qualified enough to be a podcaster right now? Is it like what podcaster do?
You have what it takes.
So I'm a podcaster now?
You can be anything you set your mind to, Cuckoo.
Oh, come on. That's such a cliche. Every motivator say that. You can be anything but me because I'm the one who motivates you all.
You have to manifest.
I've been manifesting having a house in Serenia Hills for a couple of years.
And how's that going? Do you have a house yet?
Nah, especially in Serenia Hills, not yet. So what does it take to be a podcaster? What should I do? Is it always I always have to bring this all the time, and does it always have to be this kind of microphone instead of
No, one of these little lavaliers should do. And then
a lavalier can be a podcaster as well?
Yeah, sure. You just need an audio source, really. We can.
But I don't want to be at the gym every day.
You don't want to be at the gym every day.
Yeah.
Do you wanna?
If that's what it takes to be a podcaster.
Do you wanna have this at a coffee shop?
Like Daddy also goes to the gym, man.
Corbusier?
Yeah.
Yeah, he owns a gym too. I don't own a gym.
Most people in bars actually enjoy talking though. Right?
What?
Most people in bars.
That's true, but I don't like talking in clubs and bars because it's too noisy. I like my conversation spaces intimate.
Will you teach me how to be a podcaster?
Sure. I'll teach you anything you want. Except for math.
Okay. So do you think I can be a podcaster?
I think you can be anything you
Let's
put
try
your
it. Let's try it. If it is what it takes, then I have to do it. Oh my god.
Then you have to do your hamstring stretches.
Oh my god.
Touch the edge of your toes. Touch your toes.
Reach it.
Touch your toes.
I know how to do it.
That works.
Yeah. The point is touch my shoes, right?
I said touch your toes, but whatever works for you.
My toes?
Yes, touch your toes. Sure, that works. You go, Glen Coco.
Stretch. 30 seconds.
Oh my god.
You're doing amazing, sweetie. Yeah.
I'm putting my shoes. I don't want to go to the gym anymore.
How often do you work out? Don't say never.
Saat ini gue akan menjadi podcaster yang tadi sudah dipandu dengan Indaji. Dan ya sekarang gue berada di apartemen. Lu bisa lihat sendiri. Gue akan membuat podcast di sini. And this is my crib, my apartment. Let's see. Gonna make some podcast today. Pas dengan cuaca hujan seperti ini. Dimana Bandung, kenapa Pondok, ya gitu-gitulah sekarang. Let's just go straight to the podcast studio. My podcast studio. Nanti akan ada, biasalah ada setup dan segala macam. Kalau namanya podcast studio harusnya seperti itu ya, podcast studio. Tempat
Yes.
ya podcast studio dia.
Come in. Welcome
But-
to my.
Ini bukannya apartemen ya?
This is an apartment. Ini apartemen kok.
Iya, bukan studio podcast dong berarti.
Ya studio, kan tadi aku udah bilang studio ya juga enggak ya, cuma luckily my
Kenapa
mom-
pintunya susah banget ditutup sih? Bukannya podcast tuh harus suaranya sangat kedap seperti di kapal orang angkasa ya? Kalau kayak gini gimana?
I just said that this is not exactly a podcast studio.
So what would you wanna set the podcast here then? If you
Because
can set up.
Nothing, because
anywhere
my mom is generous, and I think
So this is how podcaster usually do, like have double vans.
ini sih
Is it
sebenarnya lebih
because
ke gudang.
karena lu ngerasa podcast itu kurang ada fansnya, jadi lu ngambil 2 fan ini sebagai fans?
My only 2 fans of this podcast show.
Only 2
Literally
fans.
right here.
Is it a sub website from OnlyFans? Is only 2 fans?
Ya,
Is it a new thing?
ya bisa aja.
Oke.
You wanna go into the purple studio?
Katanya mau ngajarin gua cara podcast.
Yeah, yuk.
Okay.
Let's shoot a podcast. Now, okay, so you said you want to be a podcaster. Like, let's put it to the test. And we're live. What's good, y'all? It's your girl, Inda G, in the house. And we're back with another episode of The Inda G Show, where educational and entertaining gets a little explicit.
Sekarang
And today,
udah,
kan aku yang guestnya dong. Jadi kamu yang harus intro.
ini udah mulai podcast kayak gini.
Yeah. We're rolling.
Harus begini terus jaraknya berarti jadi podcaster. Pegel
Yeah.
banget.
Ideally, you don't want to be too far because you know that
Nengok juga nggak boleh, hanya
You
mata
don't
doang
wanna
yang
be
boleh
too
nengok
near
gitu.
as well. Sorry, Tito.
Hanya mata doang. Gimana? Susah banget jadi podcaster.
You don't have to be that stiff. Gak usah sekaku itu kali. Just shake it off like Taylor Swift. Just shake it off.
Okay.
Tits. Iya, jangan kayak gitu juga kali. Duduknya yang agak ya santai.
Susah
tapi,
banget jadi podcast.
Iya,
Kenapa sih?
santai.
Jadi
Pokoknya
pegawai negeri
mulutnya
aja
tuh-
lah.
Ya, pokoknya mulutnya arahnya ke mikrofonnya deh. Ya nggak usah jangan terlalu deket juga kali. Ya, jangan terlalu jauh juga. Mungkin ke depan dikit. Wah, kamu kalau ada si Peter sini dia gepokin kamu. Mungkin turun dikit. To the middle. Middle. Aim it here. Aim here. Oh, I know your parents hated you. There you go. Now
Di sini.
talk. Now
Hi.
back up a little. Look to the What I'm doing. Get comfy. You got them
So harus begini podcast.
old white man shoes.
Old white man.
That's what I call them. Old white men shoes.
But I have the sushi socks though.
Yeah, that's something an old white man would do.
Oke, selamat datang di podcast Indah G, where everything Wait, cool, right? Indah G, where everything. What is your tagline?
Where educational and entertaining gets a little explicit.
Kuku G in the house, yo.
Cuckoo G!
Kuku G.
I love that name on you. Cuckoo G?
So this is
In
how.
the G, Cuckoo G.
Jadi gini cara membuka podcast ya. Selamat datang, welcome to Kuku G podcast, where education and entertaining got lit.
Sesuaikan dengan kamu. Ayo, like if you
Sesuaikan.
part of having a podcast, being a podcaster, having a podcast show, you know, you gotta have a catchy name and you gotta have, well, you don't gotta have, but I think it'd be cool if you have a tagline. Jadi kalau kamu punya tagline, kamu apa nih? Kamu konsep show-nya tuh apa? Nah tadi kan kamu tanya taboo and controversial, kenapa itu yang aku pilih buat show-nya ini ya? Karena emang ya aku mau aja.
Biar sama aja karena kan nanti topik yang akan dibicarakan juga, kayak podcast kali ya. Nah, ini pasti suaranya bagus ya, melebihi suara gue mendengar suara gue sendiri ya.
Mantul.
Wow, keren. Podcast. I'm a podcaster. Belum dibuka-buka jadinya. Selamat datang di, should I do it in English or Indonesia?
Up to you, we could do bilingual as well.
Selamat datang di podcast Kuku. Ya, podcast di mana edukasi dan entertainment bisa menjadi belak-belakan.
Atau bisa menjadi masalah tergantung arahnya kamu.
Bisa menjadi masalah tergantung arahnya, harus gitu ya. Kan nggak semuanya lihat. Kadang kan semua juga dengerin di mobil kan, kayak nggak perlu kita.
I think it's, you know, be more engaging and animated with your voice. I think it helps to keep the listeners engaged.
Di sini kita akan membahas seks.
You mean sex?
Ya kan nggak semua orang tahu seks aja. This is my show kan sekarang, jadi
Yes.
this is my.
Yes.
Oh, berarti
take the wheels.
Berarti seks. Kita mulai dengan topik seks. Wow. Harus gitu kan, engaging. You said engaging. So.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Seks. Yes.
What about sex? What you want to talk about?
Seks is cool.
It is cool.
Jadi menurutmu seks itu apa?
I think sex is a human biological function. It serves.
Wow.
Wow.
Kenapa nggak dilanjut? Kan reaksi doang. Kan kayak di YouTube reaksi wow, tapi dia tetap bernyanyi kan.
I think sex is a human biological function.
Human biological function.
Yep. And that's it. It's a biological function. Serves mostly it's for a biological purpose, but it can be more than just a biological purpose. It could also just be for, you know, you want to feel good.
Wow.
And that's totally valid.
Bagus. Wow. Reaksi gitu kan yang diharapkan penonton podcast.
You got it. You're doing good. Yeah.
Coba cerita masa kecil.
Well, it all started when I was...
Eksklusif loh.
Did someone die? We get a lot of BTS in, yeah. Audience members, they enjoy it.
Jadi gimana masa kecil?
My childhood was actually pretty lonely, and I feel like that's why. I think the one thing that people notice about me is that
Katanya
I'm a
waktu
very...
kecil suka jilat cat ya? How am I doing so far? Good? How am I doing so far ya? Podcaster cool. Apalagi terus kalau jadi podcast ya. Ini udah opening sudah bagus. Topik sudah. Seks gimana tapi ya?
I think you can have sex just for the fun of it. It doesn't have to serve a reproductive purpose. You can literally just have sex because you love that person or
Tapi
because you just
makan
want
fun.
to. Yeah.
Gak usah seks berarti. Makan pun bisa fun.
Eating is also fun. A lot of people eat.
Then why you
not
have to do? Then why you do sex then if you can have fun while only eating?
Why
Wes
not?
sangat keren. Gitu kan?
Well, technically, when you're having sex, you are technically eating something.
Oh, harus ada ketawa ya, lupa.
That's more of like a suffocating pug, but I'll take it.
Oh, harus ada ketawa ini ya, fake ketika menjadi seorang podcaster berarti.
Let
ya?
me hear your fake laugh. Let's go.
Gimana katanya waktu kecil suka ketinggalan jemputan ya?
That is actually very true of my childhood.
Wah, kok bisa?
Because my mom was a sing.
Bagus banget. Gitu ya.
Yeah. You're doing the job right.
Kayaknya gue akan mengambil ladang pekerjaan lo. I'm so sorry lo.
You're gonna become a next competitor? I'm competing with you now?
Am I not already being one?
But I feel like you got what it takes to do this. You're very... See? That's a good fake laugh.
I knew it.
The audience members,
I know it.
they love that. They would love that.
Podcast. Jadi ini sudah opening, topik seks sudah. Berarti tinggal apa lagi?
Closing. How do you close? How do you want to close your episodes?
Gampang. It's closing time. Na 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 na. Gitu kan dengan lagu-lagu seperti di acara TV. Nah, terus kita ngobrol gitu. Bukan? Tahu kan? Acara-acara TV. I know that I want to take you home. I know I want to name you. Gitu kan? Bukan?
We could, if that's what you want to do, we could do that.
Tapi
I
apa?
normally don't do that. I normally
What do you
go.
normally do?
I normally go, and that's it for today's episode, you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and fucking subscribe, you cunts.
You use the F words?
I use the F word, the S word, the C word. I use all the words.
Why?
Because I'm provocative and I'm explicit like that.
Jadi gimana cara gue menutup harusnya kalau kayak gini caranya?
So there's this thing called the CTA. It's called the
Singkatan dari
call to action. So you would
COD?
Call of Duty.
Good.
That's not what I mean. Or cash on delivery if you're Shopee.
Shopee Pip. Apa itu call to action?
Like, comment, subscribe.
That's what YouTubers do.
This is going on YouTube.
So are you a YouTuber or podcaster?
I'm a podcaster, and one of my mediums to distribute my podcast is YouTube. Also available on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Noise, Google Podcasts, etc., etc.
And Jukes. Demikian podcast Kukuji. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe gitu. Oke, sekian dari gua. Don't forget to fucking subscribe, fucking like, dan fucking comment, yo. Shut your ass, you cunt. Merry Christmas, you fucking asshole. And a Happy New Year.
I like that. I'm not gonna lie, I like that. We should adopt that.
Selamat datang di podcast Kukuji. Selamat datang. Haha. Haha. Wow. Selamat. Wow. Haha. Selamat datang. Thank you sudah. Thank you sudah ada di podcast ini. Selamat datang di ya, demikian adalah episode perdana dari kuku apa ya namanya ya? Oh ya, jika kuku menjadi, di mana kuku bisa menjadi apa saja. Apakah kira-kira dari jika kuku menjadi ini sudah cocok untuk menjadi podcaster? Mungkin seperti yang Indah Ji bilang, harus disertai CTA di belakangnya. Berarti jangan lupa coba di komen apakah seorang kuku sudah bisa menjadi seorang podcaster atau belum. Kalau sudah kenapa, kalau belum kenapa, jelaskan 10 poin. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Cintai ibumu, cintai bapakmu, cintai saudara-saudaramu. Wow. That's for today, guys. Education, explanation, explicit, only on Kukuji. Podcaster. Wow. Kuku. Jika kuku menjadi. Wow. Explanation. Wow. Halo, apa kabar? Ya, wow, bagus sekali ceritanya. Halo. Wow. Halo, apa kabar?